Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the camera and assigning the back button. First, make sure battery and lens are ready and set AF mode to AFC for tracking or AFS for stills. Next, go into custom settings and reassign AF activation to the AF on or back button. This disables half-press focusing on the shutter. Once done, you maintain exposure control with the shutter while separating focus control, which gives you faster, more reliable focus control in changing situations. Now configure how the camera chooses focus. You should pick a focus area, single point for precise subjects, dynamic or group area for moving targets. Then set AF area mode and use the multi-selector to pick the preferred point or zone. Make sure AF tracking sensitivity and focus priority match your needs, less sensitive for unpredictable motion, more sensitive for steady subjects. Once you've set these, practice with the back button to see how the focus locks, tracks, or reacquires finish by practicing the new workflow until it's instinctive. You hold AF on to acquire and hold focus, then press the shutter fully to record the image. This separation speeds response and prevents refocusing during framing. Test across light levels and distances, and make small tweaks to AF area or tracking sensitivity if the camera misses. If you run into persistent issues, reset AF button assignments, verify lens contacts and firmware, and try a lens calibration. That usually resolves mechanical or communication problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.